forecast.
Mostly clear and mostly cool across the region tonight. Some of us are going to be dipping well into the 30s inland and in the mountains, but for the most part, I mean, hardly a cloud in the sky. It's looking really good, and not really any smoke that we're dealing with out over the water even anymore. Maybe just a little bit, but it's not impacting our air quality. And look at how much better, how much more improved that smoke forecast is in the Los Angeles area by where all of those fires are burning right now. It's because all of those very strong offshore breezes are pushing that fire kind of out of the region. You've seen what it did to the air quality out there. Much improved in the last 24 hours. Here's a look at what the winds are, kind of how they're performing locally right now. Now, the Santa Ana wind event has slowly started to begin, but it really doesn't pick up until we get to Monday afternoon, late afternoon around 4 p.m. That's when that fire weather warning goes into effect. And here's just an hour later. You see what the numbers do. I mean, it's the mountains and inland neighborhoods, and as it always is with the Santa Anas, but these are more sustained, but you could see some wind gusts all the way up to 45, maybe even 55 miles an hour, especially when we get to Tuesday. Tuesday should be the most intense portion of this next wind event. This is where we stop it in the morning. Look at that, Poway in the 30s, Ramona in the 30s, Alpine as well. It is going to be another very strong wind event, which is why we end up with one of these guys once again. That red flag warning, fire weather warning in effect Monday late afternoon until Wednesday at 6 p.m. And this just to give you an idea of where the fire threat is going to be the worst. I would say look at the Alpine area, look at Ramona as well. Black Mountain, the edges of Poway, and then all the way down to our south in Campo. Those areas are going to be hit hard with the potential for fire. Humidity in the meantime, our numbers have somewhat rebounded, but you'll see once that red flag warning goes into effect, it's no surprise why that happens, because look at the combination with the wind speeds and our humidity. Most of the numbers at that point are really in the 20s and teens, and they don't really get any better from there. Look at that, Ramona all the way down to 9%. So our fire danger threat looks like this. Not terrible today. Monday, Tuesday, again, those are the worst. And then Wednesday, it starts to rebound just a bit. Temperatures across the region in the 50s and 40s for just about everyone. Temperatures tomorrow a bit cooler than where we are today. Not too far from average for just about all of us. We're looking at numbers in the 40s in Mountain Laguna, 60s pretty much for everyone along the coast. And here's your extended forecast on the coast. I'll talk about that in just a bit, but first a look at the hour by hour. Again, a cool night tonight. Not as cool on the coast as what you'll see in a bit when I show you the inland hour by hour. But again, that chance for showers returns Friday night and kind of hangs with us through the rest of the weekend. We get a bit of a warm up here on Wednesday, but quickly going hour by hour inland, you'll see some of us are going to be dropping into the 30s. It is going to be a chilly one tonight. I do want to mention that chance for precipitation in the mountains is there. Could see some snow as well in the upper elevations around 5,000 to 4,500 feet Friday through Sunday. In the deserts, no chance for precip in the 60s and 70s for just about the entire way.